Hi guys, it's me, and today we're checking out something that might not be flashy like the latest smartphone or a cutting-edge gadget, but it's equally important if you're in the world of heavy machinery. This is the fuel injection pump compatible with Komatsu Engine SAA12V140E-3, specifically the models 094000200620, 094000200621, and 6219-71-1110. It's designed for excavator engines and functions as a critical replacement part. Now, before you click away thinking fuel injection pumps aren't as interesting as headphones or laptops, let me break down why this component is actually fascinating. In any internal combustion engine, whether it's a car, truck, or heavy excavator, the fuel injection pump is the beating heart of the system. It controls the exact timing and amount of fuel delivered to the combustion chamber. Without it, the engine simply won't run. And when we're talking about Komatsu machinery, which is all about raw power and durability, having a reliable fuel injection pump isn't just nice to have, it's essential. So let's start with design and build. The Komatsu-compatible fuel injection pump looks industrial, rugged, and engineered to handle extreme workloads. Unlike consumer electronics, you won't find aluminum unibody designs or flashy lights here. Instead, what you get is heavy-duty machining, precision engineering, and materials chosen for their ability to withstand insane pressures and harsh environments. These pumps are built to operate in demanding job sites, construction, mining, excavation, where downtime can cost thousands of dollars per day. What makes this fuel injection pump unique is its compatibility with Komatsu's SAA12V140E-3 engine. This is a powerhouse engine typically found in large excavators and heavy-duty machinery. It's a V12 turbocharged diesel designed for strength, efficiency, and endurance. To keep such an engine running optimally, the fuel injection system needs to deliver diesel with extreme accuracy. Too much fuel or poor timing, and you lose efficiency, increase emissions, and potentially damage the engine. Too little, and you don't get the power output you need. This pump solves all that by being precisely calibrated for Komatsu engines. One of the things I really appreciate about this component is how it reflects the idea of hidden technology. A lot of the tech we talk about is front-facing, you see it, you touch it, you interact with it. But components like this are behind the scenes. They don't get the spotlight, yet they are the real reason machines can perform at their peak. It's the kind of thing you only think about when it fails, and when it does, you suddenly realize how crucial it is. That's why replacement parts like these matter so much. Performance-wise, let's talk about what you can expect. With this injection pump, you're going to see optimized fuel delivery. That means smoother engine operation, better fuel economy, and lower emissions compared to a failing or worn-out pump. On job sites, that translates to longer uptime, reduced maintenance costs, and improved reliability. It also reduces strain on other engine parts since everything is firing the way it should. Now let's talk about installation. For most operators, this isn't going to be a DIY replacement like swapping out a battery on your phone. Installing a fuel injection pump in a Komatsu engine requires expertise. Usually, it's handled by trained mechanics or service engineers. But the good thing is, once installed, it's a long-term solution. These pumps are made to last, often running for thousands of hours before requiring attention. That durability is part of why Komatsu is trusted globally. Another aspect worth pointing out is the availability of multiple model numbers, 094000200620, 094000200621, and 6219-71-1110. These numbers aren't just random, they ensure compatibility across different Komatsu applications and revisions. Having multiple part numbers covered by one compatible product means more flexibility for users and less confusion when sourcing replacement parts. If you think about it, this is a piece of technology where precision engineering meets brute force. It's small compared to the massive machine it powers, yet it handles enormous pressures and controls the lifeblood of the engine, fuel. That balance of delicacy and toughness is what makes it so impressive. So, who is this for? If you own, maintain, or operate Komatsu heavy machinery,